The following clip is from a previously recorded episode of the Cherish Each Moment podcast. So, lawns in the news. I actually just heard this one today. Really, really sad, really bizarre, to be honest. I actually heard about it on the radio, and I just dropped my jaw. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. And yeah, let me explain. I had to come, once I got in the house, I got online and looked up the story. What happened was there was a 70-year-old man in Texas, and he was mowing his lawn when all of a sudden he was suddenly attacked by a swarm of bees. And it was just awful. And the worst part is his wife wasn't even home when it happened. She was out at the grocery store shopping. And when she got home, she found her husband outside, and he was just screaming and covered in bees. She said you couldn't even see his back and his whole head. He was just covered. So sad. She was even stung and had to be taken to the hospital to be treated. Her husband, very sadly, ended up going into cardiac arrest and passed away. So sad. I couldn't believe this. And the worst part is I have been looking all week for a better story to share with you, and I had nothing. I'll be totally honest. I had nothing. And then I heard about this on the radio, and I was like, well, I could share that. I could talk about that. I just can't believe this. Just absolutely devastating. Yeah. I mean, what do you do? I don't even know what to say. Just crazy. Absolutely crazy. Yeah. Obviously bees are wonderful, wonderful creatures, and they're extremely good for the environment. But man, I don't know what aggravated them, but that was not good. We get some wasps around our backyard. We had some really big, tall, beautiful sunflowers one year. And oh man, were the bees just attracted to that. Whew. I got stung a couple years ago on my neck. That was bad. I think that was the first time I'd ever really been stung by a bee. Ooh, man. Did not like that. So we don't do sunflowers anymore. We just don't do it. They were super cool. I could not believe how tall these things got. They were probably like 7 feet tall. Big sunflowers. But man, bees like those. So if you want big sunflowers, watch out.